These are the kind of roast beefs I've always enjoyed, where you got to eat them with the pork. All right, let's see what we made here. See if I can get this up. Boy, we've got some really sticky dough. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it one more time. Boy, some sticky dough. Sticky, 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 sticky. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is just lay that right over there. These are gonna be French bread, French rolls. It's a French bread dough. I just not gonna be able to, or this is what I want. I want some rolls. I have some roast beef ready to go. So we're gonna see if we can get some rolls. Let's see if I can get that pressed down a little bit. Got some cold water there. If you keep your fingers wet, the dough won't stick. It won't stick quite as much, but actually we're just gonna have to let that go. If it goes a little bigger, it goes a little bigger. I'll put one right there. Okay, just stay there. Just stay there. It's okay. And actually, I don't know why I'm folding these again. How about just move them? I've already folded them once. Let's just move them over to the pan if we can. All righty. I oiled this pan here. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this one out. Ooh, sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticky, let it go. All right, we'll let those rise for about an hour. They're gonna be so, I don't know what they're gonna do, but we'll see. All right, let's get this cornbread mixed up. A couple of eggs. And some coconut oil. Ooh. How much of coconut oil? I want the grams of coconut oil. We need about 2/3 cup of oil, and that's what we had there. No jalapenos today. Oh, we got us a nice thick batter. Nice thick batter. That's going to make some nice cornbread. All right, we got our big Texas pan here. Friend Huey told me that these things make some fabulous cornbread, so we're gonna try to do that. I've been painting the edges with this as I had to put the oil in. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got. We got way too much cornbread, but that's okay. Let's see what we got going on in it. Okay, let's let that fill up pretty good. Come on. Come on, down in there. I think that's about perfect right there. go. We got a nice Texas look there. I'm gonna put that in the oven. We'll see what we come out with without burning ourselves too much. Look at that. We got that timer set. All righty, let's see. Well, she's looking good. Looking real good. Let me put me up. Not a drop on it. Perfect. Cooked perfectly. There you go. Now if we can get it out of the pan. Cornbread's out. We're getting close. I'm going to give these probably another 20, 25 minutes. Some of these things that come out of the fridge when they're down in 35, 37 degrees or 40 degrees, they take a while to warm up, let the yeast kick in and poof that bread up. So we'll give them a little bit longer and stick them in the oven. That other cornbread will be done in just a second and the oven will be free. So folks, I've been busting my butt for like 8 months now, over and over and over, baking, trying to bake, trying to figure out how to make things. I got gorgeous French breads rolling here. But let me show you the kind of respect I get. Came home yesterday, and this is what showed up in the house. See what that is there? It says chocolate chip snack muffins, as if I don't know how to make a muffin. Wow. That's what it's coming to these days. No respect whatsoever. Ooh. Some little ones out first. Well, nice piece of bread. That's our French bread. Wow. Look like perfect French bread. We'll bust into those later on. Boom. Sound perfect to me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Roast beef, here we come. Gotta have shredded lettuce. Gotta have shredded lettuce here. Okay. Let's get us a nice bun here. Let's see what we got inside this baby. Wow. We got some nice soft French bread. Look at how pretty that bread is here. Wow. I'm gonna make us a little roast beef po' boy here, but on a bun rather than a po' boy. But it's French bread, so what's the difference? There's no difference. Now what are we gonna do? Oh, the main thing, the main ingredient. Let me move this out of the way. We'll slide the main deal right over here so you can see what we got. Yeah, roast beef. Golly, and I Jew. Look at that roast beef. Oh, that's that juicy, juicy, juicy. Holy moly. Yep. This is going to be, eat it with a fork roast beef. All righty, folks. We've started out early baking the bread. We made some cornbread. Had the roast beef cooked. It was in a mason jar in the fridge for a couple days. We got us a beautiful, beautiful lunch here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. French bread in my tongue. Thanks for coming by, folks.